See, in the beginning of the yoga practice, definitely you will find some rigidity. You may be having some stiffness in the lower back, or maybe stiffness in the hamstrings, or maybe calf muscles are very rigid, stiffness. Maybe upper back is rigid. Natural. Slowly you practice, slowly you will get flexibility. But don't expect tomorrow. Today you start yoga, tomorrow don't expect. Practice 1 month. Simple asana, sun salutations, mind-blowing changes you will find. Flexibility will start. Yeah? Don't be in a hurry to get flexibility. Don't be in hurry to do advanced asanas. You will have excellent flexibility in a couple of weeks.